Hi, I'm Kim from the Signature Homes marketing team, and today we're taking a tour of the Watling's gorgeous custom design and build home built by the talented Signature Homes Waikato team. BJ and Jess, and of course Harper, thanks for showing us around today. Before we head inside, let's take in this gorgeous exterior cladding, which mixes old and new with reclaimed style bricks complemented by tri-clad board and batten. The feature brick comes to life using 3 different bricks from the Austral Bricks San Selmo range purchased through the brickery. The reclaimed original brick brings that rustic warmth in, whilst the grey cashmere and opaque slate helps to form the striking pattern and depth of colour. Let's take a look inside. So before we take a look around, we're just going to ask BJ and Jess a few questions about their home. So BJ and Jess, what was your inspiration behind this gorgeous home?
Having sort of grown up on a farm, I've always liked the idea of a modern farmhouse style build. So I think I just tried to incorporate some elements that would bring a bit of that to it. So something a bit rustic like the bricks and the barn doors.
And what was your favourite part of the entire building journey?
For me, I quite enjoy the process of designing the house and kind of figuring out where we're going to put bits and pieces.
BJ and Jess's family home features 270 square metres of internal living, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 living spaces, and the bonus of a playroom. Those with children will understand how valuable this space is. The heart of the home is generally the kitchen and is one of my favourite spaces in the Watling's home. The richly textured San Selmo reclaimed bricks from the home's exterior have been carried through to the kitchen, helping to create a gorgeous rustic vibe. The kitchen, living and dining spaces flow effortlessly to the outdoors. Shelter is provided with a standout feature ceiling using a James Hardie product with a timber overlay. Again, the reclaimed brick makes an appearance. The Watlings love to entertain and be outdoors all year round. The pizza oven and expansive decking means they are not short of friends coming over. BJ and Jess have 2 young boys, and the recent addition of this gorgeous swimming pool and pool house has been the ultimate entertainer throughout this unusually hot summer. Moving back inside, the home is largely defined by 2 spaces where the bedrooms have their dedicated wing, providing a sanctuary at the end of the day. The master suite features floor-to-ceiling windows and easy access to the outdoors, a generous master suite, and gorgeous feature wall. If you're thinking about building, Signature Homes offers a full custom design and build service with the added security of a fixed price guarantee. Thank you for joining me for the tour of the Watling's home today.